How's it going today? Mark Doyen here from markdoyen.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And today we're going to talk about identifying and segmenting your email list. And basically what I mean by identifying your list, I mean by identifying the niche that you're going to focus on for your email list. Now this can be golf, it can be fishing, it can be beauty, it can be fitness, it can be any type of where you have some expertise, any kind of an area or category where you have some expertise. And then you want to make sure that you send out relevant content to that list. And you want to make a list for that particular niche. And so that's the identifying what you're going to focus on in your email campaigns. Now you can send out relevant content to other related niches or sub niches, but you want to make email lists for each one of the niches that you're focusing on. So we wanted to identify your niche. That's basically what we're talking about here. And then you want to segment your niche. And you always want to start out with a 10 to 14 day indoctrination period after you get them to be opted into your email list. So basically, your first thing you're going to do is identify what your niche is going to be about. Is it going to be about fishing, golf, fitness, beauty? And then you're going to segment these particular niches into categories that you make lists for on your autoresponder, which is the autoresponder that I use is called Aweber. And I will leave a link in the description where you can get a free trial of Aweber if you want to, if you don't already have one, I should say. You will have to forgive me. I did have some TIA strokes. So if I do stutter or pause or repeat myself, you just have to overlook that. But what I wanted to talk about today is picking your niche, identifying your niche, which I've already talked about, and then create a list for each niche. And then when you create a list for each niche, then you want to make a campaign of a 10 to 14 day indoctrination period. This is where they get to know you, they get to like you, they get to trust you. This is where you put your welcome message in. And then after you do that, then you can put a tag at the end of the 10 or 14 days that says ended. Okay. And then you can send out promotional broadcasts to these people that signed up on your email list. So that is the basics of starting to segment and identify your niche for your email list. So anyway, if you thought this video was helpful, you can check out my related video that will be popping up like right now. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.